Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The great sage Vyasadeva, after compiling the Srimad Bhagwatam and revising it, taught it to his own son, Sri Sukadev Goswami, who was already engaged in self-realization. Srimad Bhagwatam is the natural commentation on the Brahma Sutras compiled by the same author. This Brahma Sutra, or Vedant Sutra, is meant for those who are already engaged in self-realization. Srimad Bhagwatam is so made that one becomes at once engaged in the path of self-realization simply by hearing the topics. Although it is especially meant for the Paramahamsas, or those who are totally engaged in self-realization, it works into the depths of the hearts of those who may be worldly men. Worldly men are all engaged in sense gratification, but even such men will find in this Vedic literature a remedial measure for their material diseases. Shukdev Goswami was a liberated soul from the very beginning of his birth, and his father taught him Srimad Bhagwatam. Amongst mundane scholars, there is some diversity of opinion as to the date of compilation of Srimad Bhagwatam. It is, however, certain from the text of the Bhagavatam that it was compiled before the disappearance of King Parikshit and after the departure of Lord Krishna. When Maharaj Parikshit was ruling the world as the king of Bharatvarsha, he chastised the personality of Kali. According to revealed scriptures and astrological calculation, the age of Kali is in its 5,000th year. Therefore, Srimad Bhagwatam was compiled not less than 5,000 years ago. Mahabharat was compiled before Srimad Bhagwatam, and the Puranas were compiled before Mahabharat. That is an estimation of the date of compilation of the different Vedic literatures. The synopsis of Srimad Bhagwatam was given before the detailed description under instruction of Narada. Srimad Bhagwatam is the science for following the path of Nivritti Marga. The path of Pravritti Marga was condemned by Narad. That path is the natural inclination for all conditioned souls. The theme of Srimad Bhagwatam is the cure of the materialistic disease of the human being, or stopping completely the pangs of material existence.